tool design anti-patterns. Like when we are designing the tools, some anti-patterns we should avoid. So we should avoid using tool names that exposes backend internals. Like we should not use a tool name called DB query raw SQL. We should avoid overloaded tools with too many optional parameters. Like we should not have too many optional parameters, like one mega tool with 20 plus arguments. It's a bad practice. We should avoid that. We should avoid free text parameter fields without schema. So we should avoid giving free text parameter fields without schema, like unstructured prompt string input. It can be dangerous. We should avoid tools that return only natural language. We should avoid tools that return only natural language. So we already saw that the tools should return structured output in machine readable format. So structured data, JSON output it should be. So we should avoid using the tools that return only natural language. We should avoid using tools without input validation. Input validation is very important. Input validation can safeguard from model hallucination and many more things. So missing type checks, range validation, we should avoid that. And we should avoid no logging. So each and everything should be logged. So we should keep a track of silent failures. We should do audit trails. So we should avoid no logging, because no logging will lead to silent failures, no audit trail. So these anti-patterns are very dangerous. These anti-patterns, they create brittle agents, and brittle agents are those which can very easily break down. In the real world, brittle agents are not flexible. They cannot handle the uncertainty. They are not reliable. They can easily break down and the system may collapse. So the bigger picture is tools are the execution layer, the action interface, and the bridge to infrastructure. Because if we talk about tools, tools are the one which will be taking care of the execution layer, the action interface, and the bridge to the infrastructure. So agent maturity is directly proportional to the tool design quality. So tool design quality will decide the agent maturity. So tool design quality is very important. If your tools are poorly designed, no model upgrade will save you. If your tools are poorly designed, no model upgrade will save you. So we have to pay special attention on tool design, the quality of the tool design quality.